In this video, let's talk about the Bitcoin's next move and how can we trade it. Okay, so let's get straight to the BTC chart. Okay, so right now we are at the BTC chart. Okay, so if you are there yesterday, we know that we would have taken a nice shot here, right here, and we put our take profits right here. Okay, so now BTC is going straight to 27,750. Okay, so we know that. Okay, so from here Bitcoin can either, I'll put it green. Okay, so I will know Bitcoin can either bounce from here or it can break this key support at 27,750, break it, make a resistance, and it can go all the way down to this key support at 26,781. Okay, so we need to keep an eye on that. Okay, so Bitcoin can either, right now it can bounce at this 27,750 support, or it can break that key support at 27,750 and make a resistance, then we can short it right here. Okay, so Bitcoin can do those two things. Either it can bounce from this support or break. Okay, so now we need to take it to the altcoins. Remember this support at 27,750. Okay, so that support it can bounce or break. Okay, so now let's go into the altcoins in the other chart and see what they can do. Okay, okay, so right now here is the Ethereum chart. Okay, so if Bitcoin breaks that 27,750 support, right, then you can short your Ethereum from here. Once it breaks this, make a resistance, and then we could put our take profits right here, 1,773. Okay, our take profit. Okay, but if Bitcoin bounces, we know that this too will bounce from here. Okay, so now let's go into the next chart, which is your avax chart. Okay, so for avax chart too. Okay, so right now for avax chart, avax broke that support at $16.38. Okay, so if we are smart, we'll know that we need to wait for the resistance, right? It needs to come from here, right here. It needs to touch this resistance, and if it keeps going down, if Bitcoin keeps going down, right, it breaks that support at 27,750 support, this too will be going down. Okay, so I'll be keeping my eyes on avax to short it right here. Okay, it will come here, from here it will bounce here, this resistance on the 4-hour chart, and then we'll short right away. But if Bitcoin doesn't bounces, this too will start to go up. Okay, so we need to keep an eye on that. Okay, so till now Bitcoin's bearish. Okay, and we need to put a take profits of this right here, $14.26. Okay, so we need to enter it right here around, you can say, $15.99. When it touches here, we need to watch and check. Okay, right here if it touches. Okay, so now right here. Okay, I'll put it as green so I can see and I can know also. Okay, so right now it needs to do the same thing as over here and take profits right here, $14.26. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Solana chart. Okay, so for Solana chart also, if Bitcoin's on a bearish trend, it breaks that support at 27,750, right, this too will go down. Okay, so this we'll check on this. Okay, so this too will make that resistance. Okay, we'll do that same thing. Okay, from here, after it breaks that, it'll come and will retouch as a resistance. Okay, so once it does that, we need to short this. Okay, so we'll just wait and watch. Okay, so right now it's actually resisting this line, if you can see, just resisting this line. Okay, just resisting this line. So right now taking a short position would be a good entry, right? It's just resisting this line. Okay, waiting for it to see. Now what we'll do, we'll wait for it to come here, touch this, and then again we can short it right here. Okay, you know, understood, right? We'll short it right here. Okay, wait for it to come, touch, and then if it keeps going down, if Bitcoin breaks at 27,750 support, we short this one also. Okay, but this is, yeah, and we put a take profit right here at $19.88. Okay, so now let's talk about the next chart, which is your dot chart. Okay, so for dot chart we just need to wait. Okay, because if yesterday you took the short which I was telling about dot right here, the second here, it would be a good entry. Okay, so right now we just need to wait. We don't need to do anything till Bitcoin breaks that 27,750. It's more probably just going to go till this support at $5.25. Okay, so for dot chart we just need to wait. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Cardano chart. Okay, so for Cardano chart also, if yesterday over there you would take a short right here, wait it for the next one on the 30-minute chart, the same as dot, and I will write it all the way from here to here. Okay, so for a dot chart also, sorry, for a Cardano chart also we need to wait. Okay, so see what Bitcoin does, either it bounces or it breaks this. Okay, okay, so if it breaks, you can short this also. Okay, but we need to wait and check, so it's going to be here only for long many days. Okay, so now let's talk about your next, let's see your next chart. Okay, so for Algorand chart would be, for Algorand chart here only, this is the lowest it has gone. Okay, so if I want to buy some algo, would be a good buying opportunity right here at 0.16 cents. Okay, so shorting algo would not make sense because I'll show you it on the daily. Okay, you'll be, if you all seen it on a daily, you will realize that, see, this is the daily, here's the pink line, right? See algo, how many times it touched here on the pink line, if you all can see. Yeah, you can see it right now. Okay, so algo touched here in when, in March 20th and 19th, 2020 okay, it touched here on the pink line. Okay, so buying on the pink line, if you see right now, it's right now April 20, we are in May, right? We are in May, right? 2013. So would be buying on the pink line would be a good opportunity to be buying. Okay, if you all want to accumulate some algo. Okay, you are bullish on algo. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your near chart. Okay, so for a near chart also, okay, so now you know we are waiting for avax, and now near 2 needs to touch this. Once it comes back here, yeah, I'll show you properly. Yeah, okay, so once near comes here, touches here, we short it. Okay, we know that Bitcoin, if it breaks at 27,750 support, right, we need to short on near. Okay, so we need to keep an eye on near, avalanche. Okay, and your Solana also we need to short. Okay, so, and we can put it, take profits for near at here $1.49. Okay, so we can short it when it breaks, makes resistance, and we short it all the way to $1.49. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your phantom. Okay, so if you're there for your phantom, if you all are still watching on a phantom, we just need same thing, your phantom also we need to wait till it will come here, from here it will go here. Okay, till this resistance line. Okay, and then from here Bitcoin breaks at 27,750 support, then we also need to short a phantom chart. Okay, so we need to ride it all the way to 0.33 cents. Okay, short entry right here. Once it breaks, it broke, right, this support, and it needs to touch this resisting, and then we short, or we ride it all the way to 0.33 cents. Okay, so this is a phantom chart. Okay, so now let's check into your crypto trend. Okay, so for crypto trend there's nothing. Okay, so there's nothing pumping if you see on a weekly, daily. Okay, so that's it for your crypto alpha chart. And if you want to watch the next news, which will be of crypto news, you can watch here. Okay, so that's it. Okay.